lot of times they'll go down far enough that they will find fossils, especially petrified wood.
Bringing fossils to life. The South Carolina Governor's School for Science and Mathematics is helping third grade students at Coosa Elementary School to dig into the past. For the Building a Fossil project, students are using modeling magic, small plastic toy animals, and 3D pens to create molds and casts, simulating the fossilization process.
Mine was a lion. We had to put him in the clay and press him down and saw the differences and wrote it down. And then we used 3D pens to fill it in.
First we had like the modeling clay and put our figurine thingies into it and made like an imprint. Then we got some more modeling clay and put like their footprints and stuff and filled it in with 3D pens.
As they explore extinct organisms, students not only craft their own models and casts, but they also reflect on their discoveries in science journals.
We hope that they understand what types of fossils there are, and we also hope that they have a lot of fun while they're learning.
Each third grade class spent about 45 minutes taking part in this engaging STEM lesson. At Coosa Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
So there are probably fossil digs in our area, they're just not university-led digs.